Hey everyone, and welcome back to another week of the Great Garden Challenge, where we're taking this garden, seeing how much produce we can grow over the course of an entire season, and we're coming down towards the end of it. End of October is the deadline. So if you missed last week, it's a link down below. Go back and check out everything that happened last week. But let's talk about what happened this week in the garden. This week was mostly a garden maintenance week, coming in and doing harvests and taking care of the garden. My parents came in and actually did most of the harvest because I've been busy with the baby and with the business. And man, having another little kid is so much fun, by the way. So as you can see, our green beans here are still just doing fantastic. We got this ladder out here because underneath, it's just frankly a little bit too shaded. I have green onions down there, some beets here, carrots down here. These guys really need some more sunlight, especially these beets here. Green onions are looking good. We've got some cilantro down here and dill. Probably gonna be putting in some parsley here. So we've got more crops coming in here. On the outside of my green beans, to put in some kale. They look like they need some water actually. Yeah, the soil is kind of dry. So we'll make sure that they get some water. But that kale is coming along. Then on this side, don't you love the flowers? I love these flowers. Then we have underneath our tomatoes, or the green onions growing underneath our tomatoes. These tomatoes are doing good. You can see our lettuce in here. And on the other side of these tomatoes, we also have lettuce. And then we have Swiss chard, and we have our greens over here. Also look like they might need some water. These tomatoes are almost done. We're gonna be taking out these tomatoes soon. We have our broccoli down on this end. And then here we have our peppers and our cucumbers that are actually coming up. And finally, we have some cucumbers that are looking good. And we got our first cucumber the other day off of these. So I'm excited to end the season, at least, with some cucumbers. A little bit later on in the week, I came out and I did a garden update video because we had a live meeting with some of our students. So I did a little walkthrough of the garden. And then today, we went into town and I purchased some more starts, some more fall garden starts. So this time it was Collards and some more Swiss chard, and came out and did some transplantings. Got some new plants that we want to plant in here. As you can see, we've got our fall crops coming up in here. We've got the green onions that are just really looking good down there. The ones from the farm are a little bit more stunted, a little more behind, but I think they're starting to pick up. There we go. So we finally got cucumbers coming on. I am going to be taking out these tomatoes. We'll probably just pick whatever green tomatoes are on them and see if they ripen off of the vine. And so that'll free up the space for my broccoli here. Looks like it needs a little nutrients actually. Kale, Swiss chard, lettuce, etc. It looks kind of jungly right now, but we'll get those tomatoes out. That should look a lot better. And then over here, I bought these plants in town actually, and I have some that I started myself here, but I need to transplant. These are the ones I started myself, this parsley. I can transplant that in right now. And then I got this collards. I've been wanting collards, so I'm gonna put these in down below the green beans. We're probably gonna be taking out some of those green beans as well. And then this Swiss chard, I'm gonna be putting in there as well. So that's something I'm gonna be working on right now. The parsley that I had started myself, it was ready to transplant out, so I transplanted that out next to our other herbs in here. And then I came in and transplanted collards on the opposite side. I've been wanting to get collards, by the way, because I have kale, I have broccoli, I have Swiss chard, but I wanted collards. So I put collards on the side of the green beans in here, and then also took some collards, and I'm experimenting here, and put them in between the tomatoes, our indeterminates that are going over the trellis. Put them in between the tomatoes there, and the green onions are coming up next to them. So this is gonna be fun to see how those work. Okay, so I just finished transplanting a bunch of these in. You can see these are Swiss chard. I'm putting in between the green beans down here. It's actually right in between the green beans themselves. I'm gonna put radishes on either side. Put the collards down underneath the green beans over here. And I'm experimenting here, putting some collards in between the tomatoes. So those are gonna grow up with the green onions there. and then we'll end up taking the tomatoes out eventually. Also transplanted our parsley here, so those should grow well as well. So exciting getting these crops in. Now I want to take a quick minute to congratulate Angie and Diane for winning our giveaway from the last couple of videos that were posted at the same time because of the update of our baby. So huge congratulations. You win one of the quick plant fabrics, and you can choose which pattern that you want that they have there in the Seedtime store. So I've dropped a comment down below yours with info on how you can claim that. And hey, listen, for anyone watching right now, if you're on this video, we're doing another giveaway. So leave a comment down below on anything in this video and you'll be entered with a chance to win. And this time we're going to be giving away a bag of Natural Smiles, I think, fertilizer. I forget the exact name. It'll pop up on the screen here, but it is a chicken manure pellet fertilizer. I'm going to be putting on in my garden. I have it ordered already. It's on the way. If you want to get some, there'll be a link down below to jump over to the Seedtime store to grab one for yourself, or you have an opportunity to potentially win one yourself as well. So drop a comment down below and who knows, you might win. That is the update for this week in the garden. Harvests, transplanting, we're still transitioning to fall. We're still getting those harvests in. If you haven't been keeping up with it, check the link down below in the description. There's a whole document that has all of the harvests that we've done all season long. It's got our total tally of how much value dollars worth of food that we have grown so far. We're getting up there. I think we're gonna hit the $2,000 mark. We might even bump over it. So exciting stuff coming up. If you enjoy this series and you'd like more videos like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that you get notified of videos as they come out. And I can't wait to see you next week.